What is saying?
Oh, Nyamia Domingue.
Akwaba.
Major so.
I would say Bibia Quabians, come up.
Oh, yeah, Nyamia Dom Bibia ko fine.
Damn, yes. Young Quay now.
Bibia ko fine. Na. Enka Bibia ya okay. But anope mera ho kakra. Na minim se enka discussions no ho de, but me ya pa. Enra ye bo kotokoni
Vision
wie no. Na e free stadium na minim penyufo bi di nkomo. And may chance you on the information say Lord, I'm going to pray against young apostles.
Unko Wenchino.
Na ni prano ruling it out for the rest of the season.
At the ACL.
ACL with one muscle injury.
Wow. ACL.
Na he was part of the Blaster squad.
Yeah.
For Austria Germany games, he was part of the squad.
Oh,
Papa. And you know, from sad news in ABC and opinion, my slow, sir. Yama brand here. Rich,
this is Navy.
If you know what it takes to come out of the local league and in Kakra get to the Blasters level, and yet easy. And the opportunities are very, very few. And a back crabby say utimi could take advantage, then it can grow into something bigger. Said Benjamin, sorry, then and to me, I knew Lodama was in the squad. And I was praying, say, with your problems were right back on. And uncle ye BB Rich, not only lucky to be considered for the World Cup. But yes, I mean, oh yeah, you know, by sad.
Very, very sad.
I'm a down pa.
Very, very sad. Oh, it's here the next season. Where you?
You'll be close to me. I don't even have any personal relationship with him. Meaning the number on your madam for meaning in Kasam Puda. But I am here. I'm a brand here. Rich, you may ding come. Obia why successful bia o yasi bia no. Rich,